Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Kia Optima EX GDI. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2.4 4-cylinder with 200 horsepower and 186 pounds of torque. 17-inch wheels. Gray leather interior. Panorama roof. Optima EX GDI badging. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Keyless entry. Infinity sound system. Power windows. Wood trim. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Radio. Dual climate controls. Auxiliary and USB ports. 6-speed automatic transmission. Heated and cooled seats. This Kia Optima EX GDI has 66,138 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Kia Optima EX GDI, check out feldmanimports.com.